Basically, if you want to change the admin password or create a new admin, you can basically go here, auth, and click on admin, and you can see the current admins. First of all, because I just installed the MySQL database, so there is the admin. Create add admin. Type any new admin. Name admin. Now password type, like I'm gonna type @kate 123. Okay. So now, as you can see, new admin is created. So if you refresh this will be deleted because there is a new admin is created. Now this too is the like, let me show you. Password is this and salt is like this. So these two things are for this, only for this type. So you go edit here, leave it as update, it will be update, and now paste it and go it update. So this will be, now you can log in easily as admin @gate123. Now if we go and log out, you can type it admin gate123. I can show you also. You can see I type gate123 FKH login successfully, and but in database it will be show as this. So